For commercial office cleaning, the best mop bucket is a heavy-duty commercial model with an integrated wringer designed for daily professional use. Choose a 50 to 60 quart polypropylene bucket with reinforced rims for durability and chemical resistance, and pair it with a galvanized steel or stainless steel wringer to avoid corrosion from cleaning solutions. Opt for a 2-compartment mop bucket when you need simultaneous clean and rinse functions to reduce cross-contamination and speed up cycles. Select 4-inch caster wheels rated for wet floors so the bucket rolls smoothly and does not tip when full, and pick casters with sealed bearings to prevent hair and debris buildup. Use color-coded buckets and handles to keep cleaning protocols consistent across teams and reduce the risk of cross-contamination between restrooms and general office areas. Maintain the wringer by flushing with fresh water after each shift and inspect the sprockets and springs weekly so performance does not degrade mid-job. When choosing mop heads, match the looped end microfiber or cotton blend to the wringer type so it compresses evenly and expels water efficiently without shredding. Common mistakes include buying lightweight consumer buckets that crack and split under daily use instead of investing in commercial-grade polypropylene, which lasts far longer. Fix this by budgeting for a professional unit and tracking cost per month to justify the purchase. Another common issue is using a wringer that is not compatible with the mop head, causing poor water extraction and slower dry times. Solve this by testing mop and wringer compatibility before bulk ordering and standardize on one system across the fleet. Teams sometimes neglect caster maintenance, which leads to sticking wheels and spills. Prevent that by scheduling a quick caster clean and lubrication once a week and replacing damaged wheels promptly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors and also helps contractors find work in their area by listing projects and profiles. We host a discussion community so our users can ask questions, share experiences, and learn practical tips about equipment choices like mop buckets and commercial cleaning practices.